Yo, what's up? It's Denson Thick, aka Two Baked, and today we're gonna be making Denson's chocolate mouth bangers. Roll the intro. I've never made these before, and I'm terrible at baking, so let's get started. Follow along. All you need is all these ingredients right here, and the first step, I guess, is the butter browning. Now, apparently gluten-free cookies suck, so you gotta really cook this butter up, get it all toasty for a depth of flavor. I know this is wrong. I can't, you know, how do you measure butter if not by the label? And the label's janked up, so I gotta do it this way, okay? 1/2 cup of butter. This is what we're gonna brown. You can see it's a yellow butter. This is salted because I just don't. It's butter, okay? You wanna throw it in the pot, just like that. All right, we're browning this baby up. Ooh, steamy, tasty butter. Toasty. Okay, that's brown. I got Bob's. Oh my God, look at that guy. Look at Bob. There is nothing wholesome about Bob Mocha. Ain't nothing wholesome about Bob Mocha. Anyway, I'm using this Pell's gluten-free all-purpose baking flour. It's made out of bean flours. A half. Xanthan gum is moon powder from Xanadu. We're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. It's kind of scary. Oh, but we actually used 1.5 cups, so we gotta do, what's half of 1/4?
A quarter half.
Okay. I don't have a half of 1/4 of a teaspoon measurement spoon, so I'm gonna eyeball this one. Look, this shit is dangerous stuff. You don't want to have the wrong amount of xanthan gum in your cookies. Blow your head off. That looks about right. There you go. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Next up is salt, or as the French say, sel. Same method. Feel free to use this method whenever your mom's not home. Your mom is really gonna hate this method, but it's good if you're trying to do a one-handed operation. You know, there's 1/2 tablespoon of salt right there. The rest, no, we don't worry about that. Phone says to combine all of the dry ingredients in a bowl. Here you go. Okay, now we mix up the wet boys together in their own bowl. And then eventually we're gonna add them to the dry guys. It's getting dark in here, so oh, the white balance. Chef's tip: taste all your ingredients individually before you combine them, but you can really get a sense about what it tastes like before they're baked. You want to build a vocabulary of taste to be the best bakery man it could be. Chef's tip. All right, now that we've tasted all the ingredients, it's time to combine them in the wet bowl where the wet stuff goes. And the sugar, I don't know why sugar is considered wet, but it is. I was surprised to learn that you only need 1 tablespoon of milk. These are not very milky cookies. I'm gonna have to do this the old one-handed way. Perfect. The perfect 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Can you help me with this?
Yeah.
I've been doing the one-handed method for a while. This is the 2 one-handed. Hey! The 2. Oh my God.
What are you doing? Where does it go?
Into the bowl. Not much more effective than the than the one-handed method, really. When you when you really get down to it. There you go.
Who measures vanilla?
What? I thought baking was a science.
It's a science of your brain.
So you just eyeball it.
That's where your eyeballs are.
Wait, all right, this is where I really shine. It's egg time, baby. One hand crack. Let me teach you how to one hand crack. The key is don't hesitate. Boom! See that? Welcome to my kitchen. Oh my God. Young Kings. I wish you could smell this butter. It smells like a roasty, toasty almond boy in here. You dare me? You dare me? Ooh! Mmm! Don't tell anyone that I did that. Here we go, butter boy! Oh, come on. It's the shots that you come here for. You got sugar in a milk carton. I don't know why. Whoa. All right, we're gonna whisk it up till it's nice and creamy. Let's go, baby. Wangle it up a bit. Seems like it's whisked. Am I gonna die? Don't judge me. I'm definitely gonna die. Look, I don't know why, I don't know when I developed the habit, but actually I do know when I developed the habit. When I learned how to cook bannock, I really enjoyed doing it with a stick. And I would just use a stick, but then my mom bought me, or my aunt bought me this actual magic wand. Certified Harry Potter magic wand that I now use to cook. So maybe just throw a bit in there. Is that the way you do it? You know what? I'm just gonna go the whole thing. Who cares? Oh, look at the reach on that. Boy, it's not even in the screen. That's some height right there. Pretty sure you just want to jamble it all together, really. You want to be pretty liberal with these. Because you're a liberal guy. All right, at this point, the chocolate melt bangers are done. The optional step is to turn the oven on and cook them. I'm gonna take you through that, but you could just stop now and just eat this instead of cooking the cookies, you know? Bait him. What you wanna do is turn your oven on to 350. And then go look at your plants. Just follow along with your own hands. Take your hand, grab some cookie dough. In whatever kind of a thing you want to do. I'm not sure how much these are gonna flatten out or how much they're gonna rise up, But there's one. Maybe there's two right there. Shapes are good, eh? Like all shapes are good. Don't be shapeist out here. Ovals are good, circles are good. If you can make a square cookie, make a square cookie. I'm just saying, shapes are good. All shapes are delicious. That one right there is a piece of crap. It's a piece of shit. It's the worst looking cookie you ever seen, but it still tastes the same as a regular cookie. Don't fight these cookies. Don't fight these cookies. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Are you making the cookies? Or are the cookies making you? That's deep. You didn't know I'd get that deep. This cookie's stupid looking. Look how dumb that cookie looks. Slap them down. Have a good time. We're gonna bake these up. What I mean though, right? About like, are you making the cookies or are the cookies making you? Because you're making the cookies, yes, but you're eating the cookies and then the cookies are making you fat. So like the cookies are making you who you are, you know? They attribute to you your size, strengths, you know, characteristics, personality traits. So like really it's a high level, high IQ comment that I was making, because you're making the cookies, but the cookies are making you. Get it? Okay, anyway. If you didn't eat half the ingredients when they were raw, like I did, you might have some more cookies, but I think it's a pretty good yield. Just gonna slap these babies in the heat box. Slam! If you wanna jam, then welcome to the jam. All right, so now you got some amount of time. You got some amount of time. 350, let them go. Listen to some jazz. Here's a good jazz. This would be a jazz that I would recommend to you. This is the one I recommend. Thelonious Monk Quartet live in 66 Norway and Denmark concerts. Yeah. Cookie check. Whoa, baby. Those are gonna be bigger than I thought. Woo. Okay, we'll give them a bit more. Shoot, I just remembered that I wanted to put sea salt on the top of these, and I totally didn't. So we're gonna, is it too late? Ah! I don't know if I can one hand this. Oh, I can. Definitely should have, oh, my life. Those babies back. So most of the reason why I'm doing this video is to test out this camera, the Sony RX100 Mark VII, but the battery just died, so I gotta wait for it to charge up. But I think it's time to take the cookies out now, so I'm gonna shoot this shot on my iPhone, and then we'll do the taste test on the Sony. Looking good. Magic. Oh yeah. It's taste test time. This one broke, so I'm just gonna do that one. That's a big win. God damn. This tastes as good as any cookie that my mom has ever made. So take that, Mom. It's chewy, it's good. Not the best baker, but this is a slam dunk home run touchdown right here. The sea salt worked out on the top. And instead of granules right there, you know, Kirk won, Cookies won, tag team. Undefeated champions of the world, Kirk and Chocolate Chip Cookies. World Wrestling Federation got a belt. We're doing it 100% with cookies again. Bake these again. It's a win. Never buying gluten-free cookies from the store ever again. You saw how easy these were to make. Make them yourself. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Believe in the cookie. Although I'm still thinking about that line I had. Are you making the cookies or are the cookies making you? Thank you for watching.